welcome to Yoga and Fitness with VBW. Through this video, I'm going to teach you yoga and functional training. My name is Veera. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you Surya Namaskara. It's also called as Sun Salutation. Surya Namaskara can be practiced any age group. There is no contraindication. So let me get it started today and practice it. With Sun Salutation here, begin with coming to the front of your mat, bringing your toes and heels together. Samastitihi, equal standing. Spread your toes, your armpits looking upward, your shoulders are back, your hands are firm to sides of your body. So heart is lifting. So from here, we're gonna do Ujjaya Pranayama, resonating deeply in your chest and back of your throat. Begin with first Vinyasa. As you inhale, your hands will come up, reaching to your fingertips, looking at your thumb. Heart is lifting. As you exhale, falling over, keeping your spine long, bringing your hands either to sides of your body. If you're more flexible, work to keep back straight. Don't round your back. You're not gonna find full length of your leg. Second Vinyasa. Exhale, folded in. As you inhale, length through front of your body, opens heart and look up. Exhale, step back. First of all, a plank position. So your body is straight like a plank. Strengthen your whole body. Your arms are engaged, your thighs are engaged. Continuing, exhale, body lower down, heart between the hands, elbows tucked, sides of your body. You need to, if you're not have quite enough strength in your arms, you can bring your knees on the floor. First of all, lowering your body so arms come somewhere 90 degrees from here. Pull the arms upward dog, lifting heart. Inhale, looking at the nose. Exhale, if you're back through knee, keeping your straight leg downward, middle fingers forward, fingers spread wider like a duck feet. Exhale, lengthen whole body. Your thighs are engaged, your toes are spread. Here, 5 breaths, all deep, slow 5 breaths, Ujjaya Pranayama. Inhale, jumping forward or stepping forward if you need to. Lengthen front of your body. Exhale, folding your body. Inhale, taking hands overhead, strong legs, looking at your thumb, reaching to your fingertips. Exhale and back to normal position, Samastitihi, equal standing. I see general mistakes while we are practicing Sun Salutation. Please try to avoid those mistakes.
One is upward salute. Tuck the tailbone in, heels slightly apart. Keep the rib cage in and dorso-vertical. Abdominals engaged. Press the navel against spine. Lift the kneecaps in order to engage the legs and send the back of your knees behind. Big toes touching towards. Spread your toes and elevate. The second one is standing upward bend. Legs are straight if you are possible. Try to touch your chin on your kneecap. Shoulders blades drawn towards each other. Arms strong fingers. Touch the ground fingers with the feet. The Chaturanga Dandasana, fourth limb stuff. Third one, engage your quads. Straighten your legs. Keep your core engaged and lift. Hands are placed midway down your torso, stacked directly under your elbows. Gaze at the tip of your nose. Your low back does not arch. Heels stacked on top of your big toes and upward facing dog. Activate your arms, spread your fingers wider, stack your head directly on top your spine. Gently slide the sides of your throat back. Place your feet hip distance apart and spread your toes. And the last one is downward facing dog. Push your knees backward. Push your chest back towards thighs. Push the floor away through hands.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.